gonna kill you with thumbnails, but we got a couple of them in here. Shout out to that business license. I see that over there. That boy got that actual LLC. He actually doing his thing out here. You dig? We ain't faking with you. And then we got a picture of myself because you know I gotta be in there somewhere. Remind y'all who I am one time. Hey, T'Challa, let him know who you are. Okay, Queen, you right. Let them know who I are. Yeah, and then another one of the certificates for the business startup. See, this is showing you we did it. We did it, and we wasn't playing with you. Anyways, favorite part of Buy Me a Coffee's coming up. The extras. This is where y'all get all this value from your boy. Oh my God, is that a banana pudding? I know Six Bows had recently did a banana pudding. Shout out to Six Bows. Because hell, she gonna be like, boy, I didn't know you had an infused banana pudding recipe. I'm telling y'all, it's free for the members. So she, at one point in time, I think she's still a member. She might be on the gifted member list because you can gift memberships on Buy Me a Coffee. That's one of the extras that we tell people. So certain people should have it free anyways because you already know. And then as far as your members, then they'll get it free as being members. Damn, free value right there. But like I say all the time, we got freebies on here for a reason. You see it right there. That says free 30. That means if you ain't gonna go pick that up, you just a hater. You dig? You just a hater for not even picking it up. I appreciate that though, because the haters gotta watch me. You dig? They will watch. At some point, they ain't gonna have nothing else to do, so they gonna be waiting to hate. Well, let's just see what he doing. Damn, he doing all that. Yeah, he got it out there. He's doing all that. He ain't faking with you. He's out here fucking productive. He's out here producing. Shout out to that boy Corn, cause you know he's corny as fuck. But that's what he do though. Bringing corny back. You dig? Don't say that motherfucker corny, cause I expect that to be a high standard. Corny motherfuckers get that shit done. You see what I'm saying? It's real corny staying consistent. Damn. Yeah. Shout out to referring to me, cause that lets you know somebody's doing something. There's a couple more freebies in there. KC Grow Hash Depot Clash. That was when we got a specific hash local guy that's got years in the game that you know he dropped that knowledge. We got that one for free because it was a free event. You dig? Third Eye Strains. We got another freebie. It's a genetics consultation right there. That's one of the free ones that I offer. You see, I do offer free ones. And then, you know, when you get with me, though, hey, it's straight. For my list, you want to know what an Elmer and Fudd is talking about over here? We ain't gonna just give that up for free. But we do have some other free things in here, like how to make canna sugar. That's a free one. Indoor gardening tips. We got free tips over there. See, we do consultations for free sometimes. Then we actually do consultations because you know people that pay typically listen. That says a lot about itself. If we got to explain it to you, you don't know what life is about, right? Well, yes, you pay for coaching because that's one of those mandatory things in life. So, like, shout out to paying for coaching sometimes. Sometimes you'll get us to just be on here talking shit for free. But with the Buy Me a Coffee, I give you plenty of freebies. You dig? Hey, there's two more right there. Man, we ain't gonna talk about the things that cost money on here. We talk about the things that are free that you should be picking up. You know, you go through, pick up all the freebies. That right there is enough said. Just the freebies alone, like man, and these is over here in extras, right? Yeah, shout out to the extras. And once again, as your monetization coach, I'm showing you, I've given you prime examples on what everything is supposed to look like on your Buy Me a Coffee. Shouts out to your Buy Me a Coffee. If your Buy Me a Coffee ain't looking lit like your boys, then hey, I'm trying to tell you. You got to put in more work. Because, you know, sometimes you thought you was doing it, but you was actually out there lazy and really wasn't working. And just nobody was telling you about it because, you know, you thought you was cool. Well, I paid my rent, yeah, but you was struggling on that light bill. You know, you had to do something strange for some change on that one. And it happened like that sometimes, you know. Hey, that